look, tamarindo.
Oh.
Do you know tamarindo? I love tamarindo. So it's tamarind, and it can be made into juices or candy. It's really sour. I don't even know how to make it, but this is what's so fun too. It's like discover, try. You guys, it's amazing. You don't need to make candy or juice. Check this out. So once you take off the little cascarita, the little shell, you can eat the fruit. Okay, you know the sweet and sour patch candies? This is where they got the idea. It's both sweet and sour. It's so good. I'm laughing because I'm like hysterical with joy.
Give me some.
No. My dad wants some. No. Holistic Hilda signing off.